Welcome back, guys. What's up? I know that is a bit different with this setting. It's not a vlog, yes, because you're seeing this on my main channel, but today I'm here with another little nail video for you guys. No, I won't call these tutorial because I'm still learning everything that I am showing you guys. I'm still learning. I'm just practicing, and I remember saying in a recent vlog that if you guys want to see when I do go ahead and practice on myself, or you know, just my sister or mother, you should let me know. And you guys said you want to see when I practice. So this is the next session, I guess, of me doing my nails, and I must admit they came out way better than I thought. So we're just gonna jump into what I did today. And yeah, I started off by just, you know, removing the shine from my natural nails, and I just was using the nail file or buffer, whatever you want to call it, for this. Basically just prepping my nails and stuff. Kind of push back my cuticle a bit. So as I said before, this is not a tutorial, but I'm just telling you guys what I'm doing. I'm so accustomed to doing tutorials and stuff, so it really sounds like I am telling you what to do, but I'm just kind of telling you what I did. I already like measured the nails that would fit and stuff from what I have, and I kind of just buffed down the base part, the part that I'm going to apply closest to the cuticle, and I applied this glue. This glue has such a strong hold. It's like a super glue, like it really has a strong hold. Listen, I bought this in a regular, like what do you call it, like wholesale here in Jamaica, honestly. I bought like 4 of them. So, and they're so cheap. I use this to go ahead and just apply the nails, and I did not cut down the nails because I felt like I want to get really long nails this time. Remember the last time I went ahead and I did cut down a bit of the nails, so I didn't do that today, honey. Today I told myself that, you know what, today them nails are gonna come out good. Honestly, that's all I had in the back of my mind, and I took my time. You know, I really took my time. It did take some time, but as I said before, at least I thought I said it before, this is my 3rd time doing my own nails since the last video that I showed you, or the first video that I showed you. That was the 1st time, and this is the 3rd time. 2nd time I didn't feel like filming. I was just like, honestly, I was nervous for the 2nd time. I was attempting faded French, which it didn't come out too well, but I still rocked out with it, and I had it on for a while. So I'm here again experimenting. So as you can see, I applied the nails, and I'm just kind of shaping them down a little bit more. Me personally, you see, my nail tech that I usually go to, she's like a perfectionist, all right? So my nails, as you can see, they're not super narrow. I don't have super narrow nails, but she gave me that illusion with my nails, like I have nice slim nails, you know, and I like that look. So when I don't have the same thing she has. What she does is sculpture, but I'm using nails, and she always achieves this narrow nice look. Anyways, I'm proceeding to apply the primer and stuff. So as you can see, I managed to get it really narrow and stuff with the nails. I went ahead and I used some orange acrylic and dark nude acrylic today. So I wanted to do this style here. It's kind of trending still. The little slant, the color on the side of the nails there in a little diagonal line, like. So what I realized is that I was trying to find a video where somebody, like, to see how to apply this with acrylic, like apply the colored part with acrylic, but all I could find is like people using nail polish to achieve the design. So I said, you know what, all right, me I gotta do what I can do. I mean, how hard can it be? Listen, no one understand why people just apply the base acrylic and go over it with nail polish. This it was kind of rough, to be honest. And I'm gonna tell you guys, I'm showing you guys this on the easier hand, which is naturally my left hand. When I was supposed to take my left hand to apply to my right hand, it's always so challenging, man. But I must say I'm getting better. Like, honestly, you peep my right hand in the shot. Listen, a chunky mess, but we finessed it at the end. Trust me, I definitely managed to finesse it. I took my time though. It was way easier to apply to my left hand. Remember guys, please, any professional watching this, remember I'm a beginner. I'm just starting at this, so please nobody critique me too hard. I just a come here, I just a come. I practice though. But just a come and know. And my goal is not to be a nail tech. I'm just happy that I can help myself, because it's nice you can help yourself in a life, you know. I'm not like nice you can help yourself. You can do your ear, you can do your nails, you can do your makeup. Next thing you can make your clothes. That nice. I'm not like nice. So like I always try to help myself for as long as I can remember. I've always tried my best to help myself. I don't like to be too dependent for anything at all. And one thing personally, as I said, quarantine really opened up my eyes to this little skill that I had deep down and didn't know. So like a struggle for me personally is like when I go to the nail tech, I usually do my nails like every 3 weeks, or sometimes because I'm so busy every month it end up to I really don't have all the time to be always going to get my nails done, because guess what, sometimes when I want to make an appointment no slots are available. Sometimes to how long I have to go sit down in the nail shop and wait is that next thing. So it's like sometimes it's just not tying with my schedule, and you know I'm like, yo, if I can do this myself, it would be so much easier for me. And to just say, all right, because of this whole quarantine circumstances, I'm gonna go ahead and try and look at me now, So yeah, I must say, especially when it's holiday time, it's rough at the nail shops or any beauty salon at all. Like if you go to get your hair done or your makeup done, anything at all, it's rough because you have a lot of people that want to get those stuff done as well. So I'm so happy that I don't have to be dependent no more. I'll just go like if I want to get something super flashy, because my nail tech is the bomb. Okay, so as you can see, I moved on to the part of applying the nude acrylic here, guys, and you can see it's a lumpy mess. It looks so bad. Like one thing I want to learn to do better is can apply the acrylic a little better in terms of how to spread it out better. I'm slowly getting better at it though, because in comparison to the first time I tried to now, like it's a big improvement. This style that I tried today was challenging, no lie. It was challenging, man. I understand. I can't understand why, as I said before, why the videos I've seen, they stick to using nail polish and they'll just do like all acrylic and then go over the side. But the thing with that is I've always done that, but after like a couple days, even if it's gel polish, it starts peeling and it just looks tacky, and I don't like that. So I said, okay, using acrylic should make life way easier, but at the end it worked out and I'm happy I did it, so yeah, it was so easy. Like when I'm doing my right hand, I'm like completely dreading it, like I'm like, oh my gosh, I need to do this. But when I'm doing my left hand, it's like so much easier, so much easier. And I know it's a matter of time, it's just more practice and stuff, and I know I'll get there. So yeah. Okay, so as you can see, I already started with buffing, and you see how the right hand came together, right? All flattened and don't look bumpy and lumpy. And that's the power of buffing or filing. Like, it really, really, you know. And I'm doing all of this without a drill. So imagine if I had a drill, you know. From the last nail video I did, a lot of you were saying, you know, so you don't even need a drill once you know to apply the acrylic and, you know, work your way around it, like you'll be fine. But I went ahead, and can you guys believe that I actually ordered a drill? I actually ordered a drill. I ordered a little nail case or a nail kit to put all my nail stuff in, and I'm about to be having some bomb nails because me not stop practice. Me not stop practice. Me not stop try. Me not stop try, guys. I'm gonna always be trying stuff. So yeah, look at that. It's flat, you know, buffy. One thing with me, I don't like buffy nails. So like, you know. So after I was done with that, I literally just washed my hands and stuff, and then I proceeded to applying some quick dry top coat. Me and nail polishing are really a friend, and with how everything has integrated, like, who have time to sit down and really wait for nail polish to dry? Plus I'm kind of clumsy when it comes onto my nails. I'll smudge the hell out of it, so I need quick dry. When I go to the nail tech, I let them apply gel polish and just put it in the thing, because honestly I don't have all day to be sitting waiting on nail polish to dry. So with this now, since I don't have that tool, I just work with all acrylics, and I just use my quick dry top coat, and it literally dries like really dry in like 3 minutes the most. So that's how my nails are looking. Let me know what you think about this down below. Like, tell the honest truth. Like, I know I'm not there. I know I definitely need more practice. I know the placement wasn't all that, as I said before, and I definitely acknowledge that. But listen, this is definitely a huge improvement. I wanna find you. Cannot believe that I actually did that. Like, I was absolutely blown away, like absolutely blown away, because it looks just like when I go to the nail tech. So I feel like I'm definitely getting better at this. If you guys can remember, just a couple weeks ago, a couple weeks ago, I started, like probably 3 weeks ago, if that much. And this is my 3rd time doing my nails. The last time I did it, I did not film it, and it lasted a pretty long time too. So it was very lasting, because that's a very important thing, that you're applying it good. So like, it was lasting, and I actually don't need to go to the nail tech. I'm happy that I tried this out, and I can do my own nails. That's a lot of money being saved right there. Because sometimes, like for hair, like when you want proper looking nails, it's not cheap. Okay, it's not cheap. But like, yeah, this is nice. This is nice. What you know about it? But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumb up, and if you want to see more, of course, let me know. Yeah, I'll bring you guys more of these kind of videos from time to time, you know, whenever I do my nails, or my sisters, or something like that. So yeah, also you guys can go ahead and check out my vlog channel right now, because I'm vlogging currently. Keep up with my daily lifestyle and stuff. This video is coming soon of this wig. Y'all see this wig? This wig is life. But yeah, so that's pretty much the video for today, and I'll see you guys in the next one. So until then, just go and big up on yourself and stay tuned. Bye.